What is up, you guys? This is Lester Diaz with a different type of video today, and I'm making this video because I just got a few things that I wanted to say to you guys. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, this is not one of you who have sent me a bunch of emails asking me to help them get to $10,000 per month. And I've received on a weekly basis a few emails, mostly from subscribers and messages on Instagram from people asking for help, that they want to know more about growing a business. Now, most people are respectful. Most people understand that if they want to get results in something, that they have to just, they can ask a few questions. That's completely fine. But when you're basically demanding information just because you believe that you deserve this information, I don't believe that is the proper mindset to succeed in business. Because here's the thing. When I started online, no one came to my door and asked me if I needed help. No one actually said to me, "Hey Lester, do you want me to teach you how to do this step by step?" No, I had to spend money buying courses. Most of the courses that I bought didn't have the full information, which I had to learn how to apply myself, meaning that I have to spend money to do trial and error. And most of the time, the experiments that I was doing didn't work. So I never went back to those people and said, "Hey, your information didn't work." I never actually went back to those people and demanded my money back or anything like that. Even the people that I pay for coaching that I spend $200, $300 an hour to get someone on the phone with me or on Skype to teach me how to do something, just because I wanted the information that badly. But even the people that I paid for time to just sit with me and try to teach me how to do something, I was completely grateful to those people, even though I was paying for their time. So I spent a few years online, basically just making a lot of mistakes, spending a lot of money, doing a bunch of things that didn't work, and I'd never complained once. Of course, I was disappointed a bunch of times, but that is just part of the process of building a business online. My best friend was Google and YouTube. Every time I had a question, I would go on Google or YouTube and find an answer, and I would put the pieces of the puzzle together in order to get to what I wanted to do. So I find that there's a bunch of people online who believe that they deserve success, yet they're unwilling to do the work. They're not willing to search for a simple answer on Google, to just type a bunch of things on Google and just learn how to do it themselves. They just want the answers to everything handed to them. And that is the wrong mindset. If you have that mindset, then you're never going to make money online. This is not a job that you go 9 to 5 and then you get a paycheck at the end of the week. If you want success, you got to do the work now so you can get the results later. So the notion that you deserve success just because you've been doing it for 3 months and nothing has been happening, that is on you. That is just part of the process. And if you're not willing to understand this, if you're not willing to understand that it requires patience, that if you want to be successful online, if you want to make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, you got to pay it with sacrifice. And that could be spending 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years without making any money. That could mean, in my case, starting a YouTube channel just because I wanted to do a YouTube channel and I wanted to share my experience, my knowledge, my skills, hopefully so I can help other people, inspire them to do something that they wanted to do and start a business. It expands my audience, and as a result, it's gonna help me make more money in the future. But I understand that. And even if it takes me 2-3 years to build an audience on YouTube, it's gonna be worth it. So you gotta have that long-term mentality. You gotta have that long-term mindset that if you're going a business, it's gonna take time. You gotta be patient, you're gonna make mistakes, and you gotta be willing to pay the price. Like I said, I've been uploading videos for a while, for more than 12 months. Just in the last 3-4 months, I decided to take it seriously and actually upload videos every single week on different topics that I knew would get a lot of people interested in information that I had from my experiences online, hopefully to inspire someone to take action so they could do the same thing. I wasted a lot of time this year, and that's something that I regret, because I could have grown my YouTube channel a lot more if I actually stayed consistent. But I was doing a bunch of other stuff and I didn't pay attention to my YouTube channel, and that's something that I decided that I was going to change over the past 3 months. I've decided to change that and upload every single week, and that's something that I'll continue to do to 2019. But that is a commitment to myself. I'm not doing it for anyone, and I'm not doing it just because I want to do it. I'm doing it because I enjoy what I do. I enjoy creating videos, uploading videos, and sharing the content with people who want to learn how to build a business online. So if you're going to start a business, if you want to make $10,000 per month, the one thing you got to remember is this: patience, consistency, and focus. Those 3 things are going to help you make money online. Be consistent. Stay on it for 6 to 12 months. Understand that it's not going to be an overnight success, that it's going to take work, it's going to take some of your time. You're going to have to pay the price initially in the beginning in order to get the results that you want later. One of the things that really helped me in the beginning when I was struggling a lot and not making any money whatsoever is that I kept reading books. Some of the books that I've read, I have linked in the description below, because those books actually told me that I was on the right path, that it was okay to struggle, it was okay not to be successful right away, that usually people are not successful in business in the first 3 weeks. Usually takes years to get to where you want to be. And if you're willing to accept that and understand that struggle is part of growing in life and learning and gaining experience, then you were in the right path to be successful with whatever it is that you were doing. That is the big lesson with this video, and I hope that this video, as you watch this video today, Monday, December 3rd, 2018, that inspires you to take action. Don't let time go by, otherwise, like me, you'll regret not starting sooner or basically not taking enough action. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hopefully I'll see you on my next video.